Follow the signs to the Halpern Hotel evac. Easy. Oh, shit! Hi. Need some help?
Ah, good. Finally, some life out there. You're not much to look at, but I'll take a chance on you. Say, you seen another kid out there?
No. Just the zombies.
Damn it. Must have thought I was shooting at her and got spooked. Well, listen, if I get the gate, can you search the front? You find that girl, you bring her around back, and we'll straighten this thing out. Just watch out for the other trespassers. They bite. Hey, get out of there, you scourge of a Satan!
I can help him out. I got time. Look out! Fucked up. I need to find the old man. Fast. No one expected zombies to party crash.
That you, kid?
I was too slow. She didn't make it.
Son of a bitch! Well, I say it's about time we send these party crashers back to hell. You're out of luck, punks. Some damn fine work, kid. Hey, get over here. I need to talk to you. It's a damn shame about that girl, but I'm sure you did what you could. Curtis Sinclair's the name. Did a bit of acting in my time. Ask your mother, kid. Pleasure to meet you in these dark times.
I'm Amy. And yeah, I think I've seen you in some really old movies. So you coming down?
Listen, I need help. Years of doing my own stunts means, well, the old hip won't survive this drop. I need to get my chairlift to get down, but the power in the house is gone kaput.
I'm more about fighting zombies than electrics. Where do I start?
Check the connections down at the end of the yard. See if the problem's there. Now, if you can get things running, I can buzz you inside. Godspeed, kid.
Don't think I'm gluing that back together. Job done?
You did it. Hey, get your keister in here. We're not out of the woods yet. Word to the wise, kid. If you're gonna fight these things with grenades, don't do it in your own home. Well, luckily, the lift rail looks sturdy. Power it up, and I'll take my chances. Well, either my ears are playing tricks on me, or trouble's on its way. I'm gonna need you to clear the runway. Don't worry about making a mess. It's too late for that now. The party's long over. Show these dopes to the door. it isn't my snot-nosed, spoiled brat of a nephew. Threw my favorite maid to the zombies to save his own hide. Oh, for all the good it did him. Give that cowardly little shit the beating he deserves. Oh, what a wreck! Oh, I don't know about you, kid, but there's more than enough excitement for one day. Whoa. You got a minute? A lot of great memories here. A lot of loving. And a lot of fighting. And a hell of a lot of noise complaints from the neighbors. And to think I said they wouldn't catch me dead in that chairlift. Someone up there must really like me if they sent you to save me, huh? Not sure what I did to deserve it, though.
Consider me your guardian angel, Mr. Sinclair.
Listen, anything in this house you need, it's yours. It's the least I can offer you. We damn sure can't stay here, though. How's it looking out there?
0 stars. Avoid at all costs. There's a bunch of survivors at Emma John's place, though.
Well, I'll be damned. The neighbors were here all along. I ought to give him a piece of my mind for not checking in on me.
He's dead. Turned zombie on our evac flight, and they shot us down. Me, Emma, and a couple others were the only survivors.
He's dead. Damn shame. The son of a bitch owed me money. Oh well. I'll make my way over there after I say my goodbyes to this place. Yeah, you did good today, kid. Thanks again.